YouTube TV, not unlocking on XLine Pro, troubleshooting guide. If your YouTube TV app on XLine Pro, a third-party or less common Android box model, is not unlocking or functioning properly, it could be due to compatibility, software issues, or account restrictions. Here's how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. 1. Check device compatibility. Verify compatibility. Ensure the XLine Pro supports the YouTube TV app. Check the device's Android version or firmware. YouTube TV typically requires Android 5.0, Lollipop, or higher. Update. Firmware. Go to your device settings and check for software updates to ensure the latest version is installed. 2. Download the correct app. Official YouTube TV app. Download the app from the Google Play Store or an official source. Avoid sideloading APKs from unverified websites. Reinstall the app. If the app was sideloaded or corrupted, uninstall it and download the official version. 3. Ensure proper internet connection. Speed requirements. YouTube TV requires at least 10 megabits per second for HD streaming. Test your internet speed to ensure it meets this requirement. Network stability. Restart your router or modem to resolve potential network issues. 4. Log in correctly. Google account issues. Make sure you're signing in with the Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Activation code. If prompted, visit youtube.com/activate on another device and enter the activation code displayed on the XLine Pro. 5. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, navigate to Apps YouTube TV. Clear cache, select Storage and click Clear Cache. Clear data. If clearing the cache doesn't work, select Clear data to reset the app. 6. Check regional restrictions. Location settings. YouTube TV is only available in the US. If you're outside the US, consider using a VPN to access the service. Set your VPN to a US location and restart the app. 7. Update or reset the device. Update XLine Pro. Ensure the device has the latest firmware. Factory reset. As a last resort, reset your XLine Pro to factory settings. Be sure to back up important data first.